This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning everyone, this is video number 8 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video we are going to show 4 more functions: maximum and minimum, small and large. For minimum and maximum functions, minimum function returns the smallest number within an array or set of numbers. It ignores text and logical values. Maximum function is just the opposite. Syntax as shown here: equal, minimum, and between two parentheses, the range or the array or the set of numbers you want to return the minimum number in it. For example, here let's say we have a list of numbers and we want Excel to return the minimum and maximum number within it. So the range is column PP as shown here, and Excel will return the minimum number, which is 2, and maximum number, which is 800. Small and large functions. Small function is similar to minimum function, except it can return the first or second or third smallest number within a given array. Large function is just the opposite. Syntax: equal, small, and between two parentheses, we give 2 arguments. The first argument is the range of numbers, second argument is the rank. Here we have the same list of numbers, and more than minimum and maximum functions, we can use small and large functions to sort this list ascending and descending order. So the range is the same here, column PP, which is the list of numbers we want to sort. The second argument for the first cell, it should be 1, which is the first smallest number. To do that, we used the outcome of row function, which will return the row number where the function exists. And since we are starting from cell G3, so the row function will return 3, and we will subtract 2 from it to be 1. And that is for the second argument. And for column H here, we will use large function to give the list as shown in descending order. Let's see it in Excel sheet. Here we go. For minimum function, I say equal, minimum, and open parentheses and select column PP, close parentheses, and press enter. For maximum function, I say equal, maximum, open parentheses, and give it as a range PP, close the parentheses, enter, it's 800. Now, we will use here the small function to sort it in ascending order. I say equal, small, open parentheses, and say the range will be column PP is the same, and the rank here will be row, which will return 3 since I'm starting from from row number 3, and I will subtract from this 3 2 to be 1, and close parentheses, it will return 2. Now copy paste, it will give me, here we are, from 2 to 800 in ascending order. And to use large function, it will be the same: equal, large, open parentheses, and select column PP, comma, the rank would be row minus 2, and press enter, which is 800. And as you can see here, it is in descending order. For example, here, if these 2 were, or this 396 were 1, so the minimum will be 1, not 2 in this case, and ascending order starting from 1, then 2, then and so on, and descending order lasting 1. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.